again to the YouTube channel for the website FleetTrucksUSA.com. Today I have another remarkable former Cox Communications Ford E250 cargo van to introduce you to. This 2009 Ford E250 set up by Cox Communications features the best equipment you can find in the commercial interior industry. What's more is it has that 5.4-liter V8. Many of Cox Communications vans have the 4.6, so if you're looking for that extra punch, this has the 5.4-liter proven V8. It is a full-size, full-frame cargo van, unlike what is being put out today by Ford in the Transit. So if you're looking for a real van with real capabilities, set up to the nines, this van's for you. Miles just over 60,000 miles. On the website FleetTrucksUSA.com, we specialize in work truck F-150s, utility trucks, and cargo vans that are in condition with miles and equipment that are turnkey, unlike any other commercial vehicle dealer in the industry. What's more is this van and most of our vehicles come with a 90-day, 4,500-mile warranty vehicle service contract right out of the gate, starting mile one, no matter where you are nationwide. Go to the website FleetTrucksUSA.com and you'll be able to see 100 high-definition pictures of this vehicle in addition to high-definition videos like this one. As you can see, this van has not a dent, not a ding, not a scratch, sitting on 4 brand new matching Cooper highway tread, freshly spin balanced and aligned tires. We go through these vehicles very thoroughly, even though they're a thoroughbred, purebred, Cox Communications fleet vehicle. We still go through and make sure your oil's fresh, your lights work, there are no leaks, the suspension has gone through, bushings, ball joints, upper lower control arms, air conditioning, power windows, power locks. It all functions just like it did the day it came off of the assembly line. Vehicle's doors open and close very nicely, no sagging or hanging or loose handles. Beautiful large pockets in the side of this E-Series van, power windows, power door locks. This one even features cruise control. So a step above your average Cox van would be the 5.4 and the cruise control. Many of the Cox units do not have that, although they are the prime pedigree to attain. You've got your cloth seats with absolutely no odors, no tears, no wear anywhere in this beautiful van. Cox Communications equips their vehicles with the best in weather guard interior equipment. Nice thing about having these barnyard doors is that you can put compartments on the side. These are dividers to divide out these sections. You've got 3 of these to utilize for your storage. Security screens, limo tinted windows. You have a shelf here, first aid kit, fire extinguisher. It also has a pure sign 1000 watt inverter, multiple storage bins. They have lights all across the top of the van, 3 lights in addition to the factory light. You also have hooks for your axes or shovels, whatever you might need. Beautiful kick plate and custom cut rubber cargo mat. This prime design ladder rack is the best in the industry. You've got shocks that assist you in lowering the ladder nice and controlled like. It comes down nice and slow. With a ladder, it'll come down very controlled. You've got your conduit tube holder here, step bumper, rear backup sensors. Once again, limo tinted windows, security screens. These are spools for electrical wire. If you do not need these spools, they're very easily removable. Many drawers and cubby holes and divided out spaces back here to keep your work life, your day organized. These vans will work with you. Cox knows what they're doing when they set them up, and they definitely spare no expenses. Between the Prime Design ladder racks, the weather guard equipment, and the Pure Sine inverter, in addition to their maintenance program and their standards for operation, you just cannot go wrong with a Cox. This side here folds down just like the other side. It's for your shorter ladder. Continuation of the brand new tires, dent-free body, ready for your logo. Driver's area is very telling. You'll notice in this driver's area there's no holes in the floor, no tears in the seats, absolutely no signs of wear. Also inside here you've got some DC outlets, which are really nice, additional DC outlets, file bins, all kinds of goodies. You have strobes in your fronts and rear lights. Just over 60,000 miles on it. You also have strobe lights in the front and in the rear, on the top and in the bottom. I'm going to go forward here. And as I go into reverse, I've got the backup beeper as well as a system that lets me know when I'm going to hit an object behind me, like when my dog runs behind the van. Kind of a neat feature there. That 5.4 liter, very popular engine because it's got power, durability, and very inexpensive to keep on the road. Now let's do a little recap as to why you want this van. Former Cox Communications top Pedigree spares no expense in maintenance and equipment on the vehicles. This is a rare Cox with a 5.4 liter versus the 4.6 liter. It's a full-frame E-Series van, which means it has the backbone to do what you need done with it. Sitting on 4 brand new tires, 100% showroom new, you just can't go wrong with this van. Now, if you're a business owner and you need financing for your commercial vehicle, all you have to do is go to our website, read up on it. We have loans for commercial businesses only with EIN numbers. If you're a private individual and you need to purchase a work vehicle, well, you're going to have to get funds on your own. We can assist you with that, but our loans are strictly for business owners only. No matter where you are in the nation, you can purchase your next commercial vehicle from the website FleetTrucksUSA.com. Now, while we are located here in beautiful sunny Las Vegas, Nevada, we have many ways to get you your vehicles. You can either have one of our vehicles shipped right to your front door like so many of our customers do. It's a hassle-free experience. It's relatively quick to get our vehicles to just about any location in the nation. Or you can fly here to beautiful sunny Las Vegas, Nevada, where we're located just 5 minutes from the Las Vegas airport. We'll pick you up, bring you here to our facility, sell you the vehicle or vehicles you've selected, and then we'll treat you to a stay and buffet on the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. This is just a thank you from us to you for coming out. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. That way you can be informed when we film another one of our new arrivals. Our website, FleetTrucksUSA.com, is kept current constantly. You can place deposits 24/7 on the vehicles of your choice. Be sure to read the How to Buy tab. My name's Bianca. I handle all outgoing sales, and I hope that I get to sell you your next commercial vehicle. Thank you for watching.
Absolutely